Hey, how's it going, guys? Yeah, there's a lot to go over. We're going to go over Bitcoin's price action, the DXY, and Litecoin. And we're going to go over some recent news that could be causing a bullish pump for mostly Litecoin because of its market cap. Market cap has a larger impact on it. But we'll go over the news for that and see if we can find some trade setups as well. If that sounds good to you, please subscribe. I'll see you guys on the inside. All right, cool. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to look at the DXY really quick. So we got the DXY is currently inside of this like pennant-like formation right now. We had the support bounce after we met the technical target of the last formation that we're talking about because we were looking at this asymmetrical triangle. The technical target was around 110. We hit that target and then we got a support bounce around 109.57 and we started building this pennant formation right here. Let's just remove all that drawing really quick. But basically, right now, we're using this to help dictate what kind of trades we do for crypto. So we end up getting a rejection here, like a double top in the lower time frames. And it starts bringing us back down to retest and build this pennant. Then any bullish trades would be a lot more, in confluence with the DXY's movement. However, these are actually typically bullish formations. If we end up seeing, support off of this downtrend level resistance right here, then we might actually see price action continue to go back up to around 114.82, and then we also will meet resistance around 113.90. So just keep an eye at these two levels where if it ends up breaking to the upside, then these are the two levels we're going to look at for a potential reversal for the cryptocurrency trading. So yeah, that's the DXY. If you need this chart, just shoot me a message on Discord. And now let's look at Bitcoin really quick. So Bitcoin, we built this continuation formation right about here is when the FOMC meeting occurred. We had a drop right here and then immediately came right back up and met this downtrend level resistance again, and then again right back down, and we broke to the downside. This acting as the confirmation rejection. This is where most people would enter a short, and then we re-met 20,000 as support again, which we all knew that it might likely act as support again down here, and now it's starting to build a double bottom. In confluence with that, it is combating this downtrending level resistance. So before entering a long position, I'm going to wait until we break above this resistance. If we get like an hourly candle close above this. So right now we're looking at the 15-minute time frame. And the reason why we're going to wait for an hourly time frame close is because we have this price action above this resistance level on the 15-minute that had candle closes, but on the hourly time frame, it just acts as wicks, right? So we get our first hourly candle close above here. Then we can use the technical target from this double bottom to dictate our first take profit zone, which would be around about 20,650 roughly. And that meets this level of resistance right here as well. So I would undercut it a little bit for your first take profit, maybe take about 50% a little bit sooner. However, we could meet 20,750 again. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. It's just an hourly candle close above this downtrend level resistance for entering a long position. And then we can redraw this trend line right here. This is the new formation that we're tracking. So we'll be trading within the formation. So that's Bitcoin. Going over really quick to Litecoin. Let's jump over to my other chart. So this is my Litecoin chart right here. So right now we're looking at the daily time frame. So we're waiting for a daily candle to close outside of this formation, and that will confirm a breakout. What could end up happening is price action coming, back up here and retesting $64.73, and for us to get that confirmation bounce maybe on the daily. So look at the lower time frames to help give you guidance on whether or not you think that's going to occur. Like if we start seeing a double top in lower time frames, it could dictate that we're going to be going back down to retest this level for another confirmation bounce. But the technical target for this break to the upside is at $73.69. And this is coming in confluence with pretty bullish news. Like MoneyGram just actually added Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin to trading on their mobile app, which has about 150 million users. However, the service is only available for US and the District of Columbia. So we got to take that into account when it comes to how much exposure it's going to be getting, because it's not going to be to everyone who uses the app. It's just going to be to those who are using it inside the US and District of Columbia. Yeah, this is how I verified the amount of users. I found an article about, about 150 million users in the last 5 years is what it grew up to be. So this is going to help a lot with a lot of exposure, but this bullish news is probably going to allow Litecoin to get the breakout that it needs right now, come up here, and this is roughly where people will sell against that news, between $64.93 and $73.64. So just prepare for that, because there's the economy the way it is. These pumps might not last very long. So yeah, that's Litecoin. I'm actually going to be entering this long position personally myself. I just want to wait for the daily candle close. If we look at the hourly time frame, we're starting to see some bearish divergence. So it's likely going to continue this uptrending channel, see some kind of bearish formation, and we can use that bearish formation's technical target to see if it will meet roughly around the daily time frame's resistance level to flip and turn into support. And then from there, that's roughly where the time I'm going to be entering along. I'm not going to be just entering along to enter along because we broke out. I want to see some kind of price action respecting this as support, whether it be a double bottom or some other kind of formation. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything I got for you. If you need help with anything, you can reach out to me in the Discord. We're giving out signals quite often now that I'm able to, I got my own space, not moving around, renovating all the time. So I'm able to provide more signals for you guys and get these videos back up and running daily for you guys. Yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to me in the Discord and have yourself an amazing day. Thank you.